It's a woodpecker. Good morning. It is Friday. TGIF. TGIF. And today we are gonna leave for our little trip up north. Super excited. No. So I kind of have a lot to do this morning to get ready for our trip, but first things first, gonna have some breakfast, get some fuel, have my coffee. I'm having eggs and a hash brown, coffee. I just do a sparkling water with a shot of espresso in it, so kind of an Americano. And then I love this ketchup. It's my favorite, absolute favorite. And then I'm admiring these flowers in this vase that I made this morning. Okay, so on my to-do list this morning before we hit the road is kind of packing up the car, cleaning the place up, setting up the automatic feeders for the cats. There's one of them. And I've got to do the dishes, kind of general cleaning up. And then got to clean out the car. And I got to take a shower as well. And then I think Blaine will be off work and we'll be about ready to go. We're on our way up north right now. This is a Danish that Blaine baked. It's cranberry cream cheese Danish. Yeah. Are there different sizes or just the one?
Hey, make you mine.
Oh.
I had some second thoughts.
So these are $3.
$3? Yeah. There you go.
Thank you.
Dr. Pepper. Ooh. Mmm. Oh, it's okay.
I had a hard time getting off her word. It's the last
guys see this mushroom?
So cool. Is it a worm?
Yeah.
Oh.
Caterpillar. It looks like
That's
huge.
Yeah.
Little twig. Yeah. Interesting. There's an underside. I think that is one. Doesn't look like someone's in there.
Yeah. Oh. There you go. That'll do it. Right, babe?
Right.
Purple pancake. Just glistening.
And then the Vikings game.
Try to go live on that island.
Yeah.
what we're eating, then you're not.
Thankfully, my parents were a little bit more pushover. I could just say I wouldn't like it if they didn't.
What'd you get? That looks good on you. Yeah. Nice.